Keep it down in there. I'm trying to, look, we're doing, all right, just keep it down, okay? Daddy loves you. Birthday parties can be a tough time, but planning for them doesn't have to really be all that difficult. In fact, look at all the cool stuff that I found at the EPSON CreativeZone. I mean, all of this stuff is free to download, print it out on your EPSON Artisan, and you're ready to go. In fact, they've got these little party invitations here, very handy, gift bags. Well, they've got everything except for little accessories you might need and cookies. Everything else you can print out right there online. Let me show you how it works. To get started, I've got Microsoft Word running. Now, what I've done is I've downloaded the template I wanted to use and opened it up in there. So if I wanted to add the photo, I'm all ready to go, and I can do it right here on the computer. All I'd have to do is insert a text box, navigate to the image, and then draw out where I want the box to be. Now I can insert the picture from File. Here's the picture I want to use, so I select that and click Insert. Now I've got the picture in here, and I can position it how I want on the template. If I want to remove this background and outline, then all I have to do is go up here to Format, Text Box, and then in Fill, select No Fill. And down here in Line, select No Line. Then I click OK. Now you can see that I have my picture placed perfectly in the center, just how I planned. So I'm going to insert a new text box, navigate back to my image, and draw out where I might want the date to appear. You'll see my text box pops up. Now I'll type in 2008. If I select and highlight the text, just like you would when you're typing a letter, I can now change the font, color, and size. So I'll go up here, select my font, change the size, and the color. Now, once again, if I want to take out the background and outline, we already know what to do. Format, text box, fill, we're going to choose no fill. For line, no line. And click OK. Now we're ready to print. Let me show you the options. I go to File, Print, and then click on the Properties so I can go in here and make sure I've got the settings where I want them. Front tray, and it's 8.5 by 11. One thing that I might want to do first, though, is actually print out a draft to make sure that everything's going to look just the way I want it to. So I can select Draft here at the top, and then click OK. And just like that, we're done. Easy peasy, thanks to the EPSON CreativeZone. And there's hundreds of projects available just like this one. For free, you just download them and you're off and running. They're for events too numerous to mention. You know, I just wish they had something like the CreativeZone for cookies, because, well, I'd be on there all the time.
EPSON. Exceed your vision.